Hey everyone! If you've been searching for an affordable way to bring the big screen into your home, today's review is for you. We're checking out the TMY Mini Projector, a compact and budget friendly option that promises to deliver a fun home theater experience. So, is it really worth it in 2025? Let's find out. The design is compact, lightweight, and super easy to carry around, making it perfect whether you're setting it up in your living room, bedroom, or even outdoors. A really nice bonus is that it comes with a foldable anti-wrinkle projection screen included in the box, something you usually don't see at this price point. And for picture quality, this projector runs on a native 720 pixels resolution but supports 1080 pixels input, giving you sharp and colorful visuals. Thanks to its 3 LCD color calibration system and a 5000 to 1 contrast ratio, the colors look vibrant and details stay clear even in darker scenes. Screen size can go from 32 inches up to 220 inches, so you've got plenty of flexibility depending on your space. When it comes to audio, the built-in Bluetooth 5.1 speaker does the job, but you can also connect it to external speakers or headphones for a more immersive setup. The Bluetooth connection is stable and quick, which makes movie nights a lot more enjoyable. For connectivity, you get HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it compatible with TV sticks, laptops, consoles, and even smartphones. Just note that iPhones will need a Lightning to HDMI adapter, and for apps like Netflix or Prime Video, you'll want to use a streaming stick due to content restrictions. Other handy features include a dual fan cooling system that keeps it from overheating during long sessions, plus a lamp life of 60,000 hours so you won't have to worry about replacements anytime soon. Of course, there are a couple of limitations. It doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, and not every app supports direct screen mirroring. Brightness also performs best in darker or dimly lit rooms. But considering the price point, those are small trade-offs. So the TMY mini projector is a solid choice if you're after an affordable, portable, and versatile projector. Between its sharp visuals, Bluetooth support, wide device compatibility, and the free screen it comes with, it offers a lot of value for casual home theaters, family nights, or outdoor movies.